Today we are going to do an experiment on invisible ink.
Using water.
We need two papers, tray, pencil and water. First let's start by dipping one paper in the water. Now once the paper is wet, remove and place on the tray. Take the other piece of the paper which is dry and place it on the wet paper. Now take a pencil and write the secret message where the water will act like the invisible ink. Now take off the dry paper. Use the dryer and dry the wet paper. See the paper, you cannot see anything written on it.
You can see the magic now.
This is how you can send secret messages using water as invisible ink.